So, hi everyone! So, for today's viand or ulam is, this is my first time making this ribs. This one's supposed to be cooked in the microwave or oven, but our oven is not working. It's sira. It's sira! So, yan na lang muna. Dito, tiis tayo sa kawali. Let's see kung ano yung mangyayari. And then, naglalaga ako ng potato para sa mashed potato na partner niya. So, abangan nyo kung ano yung next na video. Charis. Siyempre, yung ano lang yan. Yung food lang. And then, that's all for today. No, not for today. Ngayon lang. And abangan nyo kung ano yung magiging itsura nung niluluto ko. Okay, it's pork ribs. And by the way, guys, gusto kong to film na buong magluto. Kaso nga lang may space here in Palawan is not that big. Hoping in Manila, medyo malaki yung kitchen doon. Magawa natin, be. Okay? Bye!